Hi guys, it's Rich from Teach Me Music Academy, and today I'm going to be talking to you about stretching and warming up for guitarists. So it's really important that before we play our guitar, we warm up our fingers ready so we're not going to hurt ourselves, and as well as give ourselves that little bit of extra flexibility when we're playing. So I'm going to show you some really simple exercises that you can do just to warm yourself up for guitar, and that's going to stretch out both your hands, your wrists, your fingers and your shoulders. We're going to be working every single part of our body in order to get our full playability for the guitar. So we're going to start with our wrists. We're going to do a really nice, simple, rotating action. Just go in one way a few times and then stopping and going the other way. It just helps loosen up our wrists, get them ready to play, get them into some comfortable positions later on, and then stop again and go back round. Next, we're going to try bending our wrists. So we're going to just take our hands and push back very gently on them, not hard enough to cause any pain, just to push back gently. Stretch out those wrists a little bit, push back on the muscles, and once you've gone one way, just come back the other. Once again, push down, not hard enough to cause yourself any pain, but just enough to kind of feel that little bit of tension in the back of your wrists and just pulling on those muscles, stretching them out a little bit. Make sure you do both wrists. Make sure it's really important to stretch both wrists out so that both arms are equally stretched. Okay, once you've done one way, do it the other way as well. And then you're going to do a really similar exercise for your fingers. So you're going to take each individual finger and just pull it back, stretch it out, get those fingers nice and stretched, and then push it back the other way. And once again, not hard enough to cause any pain, just to pull out your muscles so you can feel them all being stretched and warmed up and loosened, ready to play. Really simple exercises that really do help with your playing and help your fingers move that little bit quicker when you're playing. Next, we're going to do a really simple exercise. You're literally just shaking your hands, loosen everything up. It's just like you used to do in PE in school. Just give your hands a good old shake, get everything really loose, just like that. Next, we're going to work on our forearms. We're going to work on just stretching our forearms out, just so that when we're playing, we're not going to cause ourselves any tension or any unnecessary damage while we're playing. So all we're going to do is bring our arms in like this and just once again push down. Not enough to cause any pain, that's the key when we're stretching out these muscles. Just push down lightly. Either way, just stretching out our muscles, pushing down a little bit, just so we can feel our muscles stretching out. And do it on both arms. And back towards you again. There we go. And finally, we're going to work on our shoulders. Now our shoulders you might not think are really affected by playing guitar, but they are. They're integral to us playing. We use them when we're strumming, we use them when we're fretting. We're constantly moving them, just slight movements all the time. So it's really important we keep them nice and loose when we're playing. So we're just going to rotate them like this, just like we did with our wrists. So roll them in one direction, and then stop and go the other way. And it only takes a few minutes to warm up before you play guitar. Stretch out your fingers, your wrists, your hands, your arms, and your shoulders. Do that before you play, and you'll be ready to rock and roll in absolutely no time. That's all for this quick little video today. We'll see you on the next one.